sacrifice, coming here before God. Thank you for the love in your hearts. Have you ever experienced, you go to a room or you join a table, and when the people see you, they keep quiet and they change topic? You know why? Maybe you were the topic. Mga kapatid, change topic. That's what Lent is all about. Change topic naman tayo. What is your favorite topic? What is our favorite topic? Well, our most favorite topic in thoughts, words, and deeds is ourselves. It's all about I, me, and myself. In general, that's number one topic. What do you think most of the time? What do you talk about most of the time? What do you do most of the time? It's all about sarili po. Second, favorite topic natin, people. Especially negative topics. Ang galing natin mag-isip negative about others, talk negative about others, and do negative to others. Third, events, current events, opinions, issues. Ayan, favorite topic natin yan. You go to social media, the chatter there. Everybody has some opinion. And it's a contest of minds. And finally, meron din pala si God. Sometimes, He becomes your topic. Sometimes, we talk about Him, we think about Him. So, according to Grave, God is the lowest topic. Change topic na po tayo, sana. And this is what cleansing of the temple is all about. Let's be cleansed. How do we do that? Well, thank God. Thank God. Instead of thinking about so many things, Lord, what do you think? Naala-ala mo rin ba si Lord in your day-to-day life? O nga, Lord, nandiyan ka pala. You're here. Oh. You know, God is very thoughtful of us. Tayo thoughtless. Sa totoo lang po, you try to remember how many times you think of God in your one day. Sana maging more thoughtful tayo. You know, we always think money, think business, think negative, and we overthink. Ang problema sa'yo, overthinking ka. You're always thinking and thinking. Matutulog ka na lang, overthinking ka pa rin. Learn to trust God more. Stop overthinking, mga kapatid. Trust the Lord with all your heart. Lean not on your own understanding. Sorry, Lord. Madalas nakakalimutan ko kayo, but you never forget me. I will never forget you. I have carved you in the palm of my hands. Can a mother forget her child or the baby she bore? Yet even if the mother forgets her child, I will never forget you. Naala-ala kita palagi. Thank you, God. Help me to thank God more. God is with us. Number 2, cleansing in our talk. Talk God. What is your favorite conversation in your house? Do you talk about God? Is He a member in your table? Sa workplace, do you talk about God at all? Hardly. Ask the Lord, Lord, come into our conversation naman. Don't leave him out. Kasi once you start that, corny mo naman, God ka pa dyan. It's okay. Remind people the presence of God. KJ ka naman, God na naman yan. It's okay. I stand for my God. Do it with love. Of course, don't preach about God to everyone. Masyado ka namang preaching. No. It just remind people, hey, God is here. Nag-aaway kayo, teka muna, sandali. Ang dami na tayong sinabi na masasakit. Let's pause. God is here. You will see something different will happen. Give God a chance. And please stop negative talk. Pinagpiyapiyastahan ninyo yung mga wala, mga negative. Stop that. That's a sign of insecurity. That's a sign of deep insecurity. And alam po nyo, I keep telling this. I hope somebody will pick it up. Sana may apps sa gadget natin. Di ba yung mga pedometer, ilang steps, 10,000 steps? I would like to propose word meter. I will call it verbo meter. Bibilangin niya ilang words na sinabi mo. Pagdating ng 10,000 words, stop ka na. You're not allowed to talk anymore. I'm sure husbands will be happy. Oh, 10,000 ka na. Maybe we talk too much. And people keep talking and talking and talking. Oh, and most of the time they talk about themselves. Minsan nga po, I told somebody, alam mo, si Juan may sakit, ganito. Ay, ganun ba? Ako nga may sakit Mas malala pa. Siya na naman ang topic. Or this guy at a party who kept talking about himself, and then I was just quiet. Hindi naman ako makapasok. And then he noticed, and it's, oh, Father Orbos, ikaw naman. Why don't you say something about me? Okay. And I ask you today, is God a topic in your conversations? Is He an item in your life agenda? Don't leave God out. Cleanse the negatives, bring God in. Third, take God. Take Him along with you. As I speak, I can almost say all of you here have a gadget with you. You take it every day wherever you go. Pag nakakalimutan mo, binabalikan mo pa yan. Question, how many of you have a rosary with you right now? Na kung nakalimutan mo, babalikan mo pa rin. That's what it means. Lord, I bring you along wherever I go. You know why? Because God, without God, we are nothing. We are weak. Please, tell the Lord today, Lord, sometimes I forget you, but please stay with me. One of the most beautiful prayers is the prayer of Saint Padre Pio. Stay with me, Lord. Stay with me, Lord. I hope you find time to read that and pray that. Stay with me, Lord. I need you. And one of the things I cannot forget, a month ago, Vincent, he was alone in a Texas hospital. He had to go to a surgery.